Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Silent Hill sound is not working on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution to fix this problem. So the first solution is restart PC. Sometimes simple restart fix the problem. So simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Now the second solution is troubleshoot. Go to the Windows search, type in the troubleshoot setting and open it. Then just click on the option of additional. Now here just click on the option of playing audio, then just click on the option of run the troubleshooter. Now it will start detecting the issues in your audio or the sound. It will take some time, you just need to wait for it. It will give you the option to solve or resolve the issue. Just click on that and see if this works. Sometimes this resolve the issue, but sometimes this does not. Now the third solution is check sound output devices. So go to the Windows search and just type with the sound setting and simply open it. Here you will see the choose your output device. So make sure that your correct speakers is selected and just choose here the master volume is above the 60 or the 70%, and you also need to make sure that the input device is correctly selected. Now check problem is fixed or not. Now the fourth solution is update audio driver. So go to the Windows search tab with the device manager, open it. Now here you will see the audio input. Open it, you will see your speakers or your sound devices. Drivers, make a right click on it, click on the update, then click on the search. Now if there is any kind of available update for your driver of your sound, then update it, then see. If your problem is not fixed, then make a right click on it, click on the disable device. Then click on the option of yes and make a right click on it again and just enable it, because sometimes disabling or enabling your sound driver sometimes fix the problem. So you can try this, and if this does not work and if your problem is not fixed, the next solution is check in-game audio setting. Open the game setting and ensure the audio is not muted or set to low. Reset audio setting to default or increase the master volume, then check. Now the next solution is disable audio enhancements or change audio format. So go to the Windows search and just type here the control panel and open it. Now just click on the option of view by and just select it to the category. Then just click on the option of hardware and sound. Then just click on this sound, and now here just make sure that your speaker is selected. Make a right click on it, click on the properties. Now here just make sure that it is enabled selected. Now go to the enhancement and then just uncheck this box of enhancements and then go to the advanced. Now here just select the 16-bit DVD quality. Then just click on apply, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then just select the 16-bit CD quality. Then just click on apply, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now guys, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is the solution that you can verify game files. So simply open up the Steam, then just go to your game properties, then just click on the option of install files, then just click on the option of verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, you just need to wait for it. Then simply relaunch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, then close background applications. Some background application may interfere with the audio. Close any unnecessary application, especially those related to audio. Discord, streaming software, turn off overlay of Discord is very important. The next solution is update Windows. Go to the Windows search and just type in the update Windows or the update setting, open it. Now here just make sure that your Windows is completely updated to the latest version. If it is not updated, then just update it first, then restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. If your problem is still not fixed, then check for game update. Ensure that game itself is up to date. Then simply relaunch the game, then check and try all of the solution. And I hope one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.